You may not have a lot of space now, but that doesn't mean your clothes have to suffer. These genius storage solutions will make your small space feel like you can fit all your clothes. 1. This slide-out pants hanger you can mount in your closet. Attach this wall-mounted hanger to the side of your closet for additional storage space. The rack holds 9 pairs of pants or skirts and slides out for easy access. The chrome construction is durable and won't rust, even after years of use. 2. This multi-armed hanger that holds at least 8 garments. Not only does this hanger consolidate 8 strappy camis, tank tops, and dresses onto a single hanger, it's also designed to prevent them from slipping off and falling to the floor. 3. This hanger that holds all of your accessories. Thousands of reviewers have left glowing reviews about this chic, copper-colored accessories organizer that consolidates up to 18 scarves, belts, and ties onto a single hanger. Plus, the thick, solid steel wire forms continuous loops, so you'll never get a snag. 4. These hangers that store 3 items in the space of 1. These 2 clipped hangers are great for pants and skirts, but it's the second lower hook that makes these hangers really special. This simple hook allows you to hang these hangers one after another until your clothes hit the floor. 5. These hangers seriously consolidate your closet. Hang 10 garments in a fraction of the space with these cascading chrome hangers. They're easy to use, compatible with a variety of hangers including plastic, wood, or wire, and come in a pack of 4. 6. This extra closet that hangs from your door. Instantly turn any door into a closet with this hanging rod. The over-the-door rod installs in about 2 seconds and holds up to 20 pounds of clothing. It takes up less space than freestanding rack, and you can hang it in any room in the house. 7. This rod that instantly doubles your closet space. You can essentially double your closet space in seconds with this hanging closet rod. Simply hang the bar from the rod above, and suddenly all that unused space beneath your clothes becomes prime storage. 8. This rolling basket that maximizes the space under your bed. This heavy-duty steel rolling cart is the perfect way to maximize storage space under a bed. Plus, the wheels aren't only convenient for access, they elevate the basket enough to protect the contents from dust, dirt, and spills, making it perfect for clothing, blankets, and other soft goods. 9. This closet organizer with 2 sides of storage. This sturdy polyester 2-sided organizer features 16 small pockets on the front and 2 large pockets on the back. Plus, the hook rotates 360 degrees, so you slide it neatly into your closet. Hang it on the back of a door or fold it up and pop it in a luggage to take it with you on vacation. 10. This instant closet that collapses down when it's not in use. Instantly get additional closet space anywhere in your home with this retractable clothing rack. Mount it anywhere you may need extra hanging space, and this collapsible closet provides 10 extra inches of prime hanging real estate and holds up to 60 pounds. 11. This trapper keeper for your t-shirts. This t-shirt organizer might look strange, but it's actually genius. It individually wraps each tee in clear plastic, making them easier to store and find. 12. These bamboo charcoal organizers that keep your clothes mildew-free. These clothing organizers may look like any other storage containers, but the unique bamboo charcoal fiber sheet inside each box wicks away moisture and keeps clothing smelling fresh and mildew-free. 13. This rolling storage cart that will hold all of your pants. This rolling trolley offers 18 vinyl-coated removable hangers designed specifically to hold pants. It's 28 inches tall, which makes it perfect for sliding into your closet to help utilize the space under your hanging clothes, and then rolls out so you can easily see all your items. 14. These S-shaped hangers that your pants won't slip off of. Hang up to 5 pairs of pants in the space of 1 hanger with these high-quality S-shaped hangers. These stainless steel hangers won't rust, they're sturdy enough to handle your heaviest clothes, and they're designed to prevent your pants from slipping off and ending up on a pile on the floor. 15. This hanging storage that adds a drawer wherever you need it. The chevron-printed fabric drawer hangs from any wire shelf, with its super easy Velcro straps. Just hook them around wire shelving and you've got a place for t-shirts, intimates, or pretty much anything else.